Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying hardware because most volume issues are environmental. First, make sure your Siri remote has charge and is paired. Unresponsive remotes won't change volume. Next, confirm the TV or receiver input is correct and not muted, since Apple TV can send audio to the wrong device. Also inspect the HDMI cable and ensure ARC/eARC is enabled on both TV and receiver. Once done, power cycle Apple TV and the display to clear transient handshake problems before moving to software settings. You now dive into Apple TV's audio configuration to align signal and hardware. Go to Settings, then Video and Audio, and check the audio output. Set it explicitly to the TV or receiver instead of auto so the device receives a stable signal. Under Audio Format, turn off automatic formats or choose stereo if your receiver struggles with Dolby. Make sure TV OS is up to date and restart Apple TV so new settings take effect. Once these changes are applied, test volume control and listen for consistent response. You finish by eliminating remaining communication faults. If volume still fails, unpair and repair the Siri remote to ensure commands reach Apple TV. You may also factory reset remote settings. Then reset the TV or receiver audio settings, or plug Apple TV into a different HDMI input to isolate a port issue. If nothing helps, try an alternative connection like optical or reconfirm ARC wiring. One key troubleshooting tip. If volume works with other inputs but not Apple TV, the issue is likely HDMI handshake.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.